Alright, let's do the sample final. Find the equation of the tangent line to this curve at 1, 4. So if I put in 1, I get 3, minus 1 is 2, put in 1, get 3, minus 1 is 2, plus 4 is 6. So 1, 4 is not even a point on this line. It should be 1, 6. That's an error on my part. 1, 6. Now the tangent line. So we would do, take the derivative of this, which would be 9x squared minus 2x, and that would be the derivative. And then I would set that equal to, no, then I would put 1 into this to find the slope, and so I'd get 9 minus 2, which is 7. So I'd have y minus 6 equals 7 times x minus 1, or I could say y equals 7x plus, and if I put in 1 I get 7, and I'm supposed to get 6 plus a negative 1. My mistake on that. Galileo is reported to have dropped 2 iron balls from the upper balcony of the Leaning Tower of Pisa, approximately 144 feet above the ground. If we neglect air resistance, determine how fast the ball travels. The height is this. It says how fast, so that would be velocity, which is change in distance over change in time, which would be h prime of t, which is negative 32 t, and that would be it. And after 2 seconds it would be going negative 64 if I put 2 in for t. Meter, let's see, this was in feet per second. You use calculus to find this or explain why it doesn't exist. Well, if x is going to 0, we're going to get 1 minus 1, or the numerator is going to go to 0, and 5 times 0 would be 0. So the numerator and denominator go to 0, so L'Hopital's rule applies. And so this becomes the limit as x approaches 0 of the numerator, which is just e to the x, over the denominator, which is just 5. And I can put in 0, and I get 1/5.